Diversity training includes specific programs that are designed to influence both individual learners and the organization's outcomes. At the individual level, these programs seek to do three things. 1, make trainees more aware of the differences between others so they can be more sensitive to their coworkers' needs. 2, change their attitudes toward diversity and encourage them to think of differences as a good thing, something that can be leveraged for the good of everyone. 3, teaches them the knowledge and skills that they will need to work with others and do their jobs in a diverse workplace. At the organizational level, diversity training tries to change the elements of the business that create division instead of inclusion, and invite all employees to participate and get more involved in the business. The science behind diversity training suggests that a number of elements or conditions need to be present in order for the training to be effective. Diversity programs should be one part of a larger, long-term organizational effort. A single program probably won't have much of an effect on the overall organization. The organizational culture, top leaders, and managers all need to support diversity management. Before we decide that we need diversity training, we should conduct a needs assessment. These programs tend to be most effective when they're based on the values model, which celebrates differences for what they can bring to the organization. Diversity should be viewed as an opportunity to figure out a way to work together in a more productive way. We can ask diverse groups of stakeholders to participate in pilot testing and provide their insight. Face-to-face instruction is preferred for this topic, partly because the design usually involves group discussions, group activities, and hands-on methods. The best programs usually take place in multiple sessions, which gives trainees a chance to reflect and apply material between sessions before they reconvene with the trainer and other learners.